Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, can't type in Windows 10 search bar. First method is, press Windows and R keys. Type // Windows /System32 /CTFmon.exe. Click OK. If same error still exists, second method is, press Ctrl-Alt-Delete keys. Click Task Manager. Right-click Windows Explorer, click End Task. Click File, click Run New Task. Type explorer.exe, click OK. If same error still exists, third method is, press Ctrl-Alt-Delete keys. Click Task Manager. Click File, click Run New Task. Make sure task run with administrative privileges. Type PowerShell, OK. Type sfc/scan now. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.